Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a perfect 1 minute high ponytail. This is perfect high ponytail ready just in 1 minute. If you want to know how I make this, then please keep on watching. You can carry this high pony on everywhere. You can wear this on school, college as well. You can wear this on parties. You can wear this on party seminar as well. So this is very versatile. Very simple, elegant hairstyle. You can carry this hairstyle on anywhere, on any occasion. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Making a high pony, first all we have to make a puff. For making a puff, I'm going on eyebrow to eyebrow section from this side to this side, and then take a hair from First I'm going to twist the hair a little bit, 2 or 3 times, and then just roll it forward. Okay, now I'm going to mess my hair. I'm going to use this 2 rubber band, small size of rubber band. Just make it lock, step of knot, lock knot, and then just take a bobby pin and secure like this from both ends. Just make this type of rubber band. And then just make a pony, high pony, as much high as you want. Ponytail is also done. If you want to hide the rubber band, then you can grab little hair from the pony and then wrap it around. So 1 minute perfect high ponytail is done. So this is my perfect 1 minute high pony. How you like my high ponytail? If you like this ponytail, then please give me some thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to notify my future update. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.